Hello guys, welcome to Python Django series. In this video I will show you how to create a Python Django project. First I will visit the website python.org, then hit the download button, and here is the latest Python version, which is 3.9.4. Just hit the download button and just click here for installation. I already installed it in my computer and I don't want to install it again. It's a really simple installation process. Just follow the steps. Then I will open the CMD prompt and I will check the Python version by typing a command line python -- version. My Python version is 3.9.4. Then I will install Django. For installing Django, I need to write another command line pip install Django. I already installed it in my computer, that's why it says requirement already satisfied. Good. Then I will check my Django version by typing another command line python -m Django -- version, and the Django version is 3.1.6. Now I will create a Django project by typing a command line Django -admin start project. Then I should mention a project name. You can give any project name here. I will give a project name, for instance test project, and my project is already created. Now I will select the current project folder by typing a command line cd test project. I already selected directory, my current project directory. Then I will type another command line python manage.py run server. This command line is basically helps to run the server. That means it helps to run our project in the local server. Just check it, and here I can see a local server link. Just copy it and paste it in the browser. Great. Here is my first Django project. In the next video I will show you how to create an app under a project. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.